Are you a student, a foreigner maybe, or an office worker that constantly asks questions like, how do I get here? How much is the fare? Or what buses or jeepneys do I need to ride? So these are the problems that eCommute is here to solve. Hi, I'm Daryl, and I'll be introducing to you eCommute, a smart AI route management system for efficient urban commuting in Cebu. So eCommute is a smart mobile or web-based application designed specifically for Cebu that helps commuters move more efficiently and confidently. It tracks jeepneys in real time, provides accurate routes through the help of AI, and estimate travel time. Also, it includes automatically calculates your fares. And this includes discounts for seniors, students, and PWDs, removing the uncertainty that customers face every day. So for our customers, eCommute transforms daily travel into a seamless experience. No more asking for directions, no more confusions about where to ride and how much to pay. Everything you need is right in your pocket. But eCommute goes beyond just helping commuters. We also help drivers. For drivers, we offer visibility and potential for better passenger flow. For private companies, it offers opportunities for employee mobility, solutions, and partnership. And lastly is LGUs. It provides valuable data, insights to improve traffic management and public transportation systems. So, what makes eCommute powerful, you might be asking? eCommute is powerful because it is localized focused. It's not another generic transportation app. It's built for Cebu, tailored for its unique routes, culture, and commuting challenges. In a city where transportation is part of your everyday life, eCommute doesn't just guide you, it empowers you. eCommute, a smart route, fast commute, and better journey. Thank you.